Holy moly, gold pumped like crazy thanks to Warren Buffett buying $500 million into the gold um, mining business, guys, which basically implies that he loves gold. Now, me and my wife were talking, and she wanted to know why didn't he just buy the physical gold, right? And there's basically a couple of reasons. Number one, I believe, in my opinion, the reason he didn't buy all $500 million worth of gold at one sitting was because there's not enough gold around right now. And that's going to do is spike up the gold prices significantly, which means that he's not going to be able to take the ripple effect on his favor, because when everyone hears about him buying so much gold, right, it's going to spike up the prices, and the prices already moved. On the other hand, the way he did is very, very smart, because he bought the actual mining company. He bought the stocks in the mining company. Now he's going to be able to ride the ripple effect of gold prices going up, right? And he's going to get the benefit of that. Okay. So one of the main reasons why I believe that he didn't buy it, number one, is there's not enough gold out there and silver out there right now, and because there is such a high demand, by him buying $500 million, it's just going to spike up the prices, right, which is point number two. And therefore he's not going to be able to get the ripple effect of gold going up, because he's the one that's going to be pushing the gold to go up, and therefore he wanted to ride the waves versus him being the cause of the wave, if that makes any sense. Okay. And then this way, the third reason why I believe that he bought gold mining stocks is because he's going to get dividends. So he's going to get dividends by owning these, where if he had bought $500 million worth of stocks, he would have to pay a security guard, he would have to pay storage to store all that. So it's multi-dimensional why I believe Warren Buffett did not buy the gold. But it doesn't matter, because the Warren Buffett pump for gold is happening. Just today, if you guys know, I've been liquidating gold and silver few weeks, and today, which is Monday, so many people reached out to me. It was unbelievable. They wanted to buy gold and silver because of what happened with Warren Buffett. So basically, what happened with Warren Buffett is going to signify hedge funds and the average people, dumb money, what the rich people say, dumb money, the average people, to get into gold. So now we're going to have the smart money get into gold, and we're also going to have the dumb money get into gold, and we're going to see what I call a Warren Buffett gold pump. We're about to see the Warren Buffett gold pump, and today was a great example of how it pumped so much. I mean, it was like 1950, and before the day was over, it's almost at $2,000. It pumped, $50, guys, in just like couple of hours, in a few hours, guys, okay, because of the news. So imagine if Warren Buffett had bought the gold, then it would have pumped so much because of not enough supply, and he wasn't going to be able to ride the waves, because he was going to create the waves by buying so much gold. Now he gets to buy the factory that makes it, per se, that makes gold, that does the mining, right? And now he's not going to be the creator of the wave. Well, he's going to be the creator of the people rushing into gold, but he's going to now be able to ride the wave. When I say ride the wave, means that he's going to profit from it versus being the cause of the wave. This way that he bought the companies that mine for it. The news got out, everyone's scratching to gold, which means that he's going to make money by his stocks positioning. He's going to make money by the dividends, and he's going to make money by, the price moving up, which makes his business that he invested in $500 million be more valuable, because that's what they're doing. This is exactly what he did back in 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 crash. Where most people don't realize is Warren Buffett, first he did is he bought brokerage firms. He bought brokerage firms, right? He bought different brokerage firms, and then he started buying rental properties. It's kind of like, what he's doing now. He's not, like he wants to buy gold, but he bought the company, and then eventually they're going to start buying gold from that company, probably underneath the table or something like that. Not underneath the table in a sense, but where it doesn't hit the spot price, okay? Same thing exactly happened in the real estate crash. First, he bought brokerage firms so he could save thousands of dollars from buying homes, so he can find the best deals. And then he started buying the rental properties because of his brokerage firm. And the same thing is happening today. He's buying the mining, which is kind of like the brokerage firm, and then he's going to get into the gold or silver, okay? So Warren Buffett pump is coming. It is already here today, but it will continue pumping, I believe, gold and silver to the all-time high, because, the smart money, which is Warren Buffett, is making his move. And now here comes all the other smart money and the dumb money, as not what I call people, but what TV calls dumb money, the retail people. Now, please notice that the smart money, like Warren Buffett, got into gold and silver, I should say in gold, in 2020. A refugee has been letting you guys know in my handbook back in 2016, letting you know that, I'm getting into gold and silver. So even though Buffett is the smart money and he's so early, I was so much ahead of him, guys, when it was $1,100 an ounce. And now here comes the herd. Here's going to come the herd, because they want to do what Buffett does. So great day to be alive. Great day to be in America. Great day to be taking risks. And I'm so pumped, guys, okay? If you're interested in learning about investing, if you're interested in learning about entrepreneurship, you're interested in learning about flipping homes, buying houses subject to wholesaling, fix and flip, consider joining my profit sharing for a full year of coaching one-on-one, guys. This is one-on-one. I talk to you direct. This is not a group or anything like that, for just only $5K, guys, okay? And on top of that, I'll give you all my business systems included in there. So not only do you get coaching, but you get all my systems included, guys, which I could sell as a franchise, or I do sell it on my website for thousands of dollars. Actually, I sell all the tools that I give you. It comes out to $9,500. You're getting it for free whenever you join profit sharing, guys, all right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget, be your dreams. Peace.